Python datetime instance check with date returns true. I have two objects, one is datetime and the other is date object. When I want to check the type of object using isinstance Python's preferred way, I get a little absurd results. Why datetime object instance check with date returning true? Currently I am using type to overcome this issue, but isn't a workaround?
Why datetime object instance check with date returning true? There's no workaround. It works as intended, since datetime is a subclass of date and isinstance returns true for subclasses, as the docs say. I think using type is the only way for you here.
The datetime class is a subclass of date. The Python library creates this inheritance relationship so that you can use a datetime where a date is wanted. The rationale for that is that a datetime object includes a date in it. If you ignore the time or use a fixed time, such as midnight, then it makes sense to use it as a date object. The documentation mentions the class hierarchy. Subclass relationships.
Il est sûrement trop énorme.